So my first consumer question for you is there any help for my high water bill?
Good question. LIHEAP, which stands for Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program, is the first step to get in contact with someone that can help you with your utility bills across the board. And please be mindful that there are deadlines to apply. So if you want to keep that in mind as well. There are resources and funds available. And I know it feels like it's hard to get, but they are there. So, and there are people dedicated to helping you do that. Again, I would start reaching out to LIHEAP, but if you are having issues with that, you can reach out to us, the community resource team, at 833-204-1992. And we can help facilitate some of that progress for you and mitigate some of those pains, because it can be a bit frustrating when you really need some help.
Are there energy efficiency programs for seniors?
Yes, Elevate manages the SARFs program, and that stands for the Small Accessibility Repairs for Seniors. Please note there is a waiting list, but funds are replenishing every year. And again, if you have any questions about that, you can reach out to your local community outreach organization, a nonprofit. And if you can't find that, you can definitely give us a call at 833-204-1992. There are resources there for you, and sometimes it may feel like it's hard to find, but they are there. So let us know how we can help you. Thank you.